Hi, this is Hypersha again, and thank you for dropping by. Our topic for today is about transposed. So how we can transpose a range of cells. Let's say, for example, our boss or our colleague wanted us to change the orientation of our data range. In this example, it is vertically in orientation and they wanted it to be in horizontal. Example number one is this one. We have our product and we have three products, A, B, C. They wanted us to show the product in horizontal. By using transpose, we can immediately transpose the orientation of our data range. What we need to do is we need to copy. So I tried cutting it and accessing the paste special dialog box, but it's preventing me to do so. So let's cut it. So I'll cut, and then if I go to paste special, I don't have those options to choose from. So instead, we will use the copy. Right click, copy, and we go to paste special. Now all the options are available for us to use. So what we need to choose from is this one here, transposed. So we just click OK. Immediately from a vertical orientation, we can transpose it to be in horizontal in orientation. That's one. And let's do again using the shortcut keys. So copy, Control Z, and the shortcut key for us to access the paste special dialog box is press Control Alt S. Alt S. Holding down Control and then pressing down ES in succession. We can press E one more time for us to automatically choose yung transpose, and then we just click Enter. So let's go to our example number 2. Instead of one column of data, meron na tayong around a 2D report, or we have a column headers and we have row headers. Kailangan pagbaliktarin lang natin sila. So we just copy and then we'll just use the shortcut key na dito. So Alt S para lumabas yung ating dialog box for space special, and then we choose E and then we click Enter. So that's our result. Yung Cebu, Manila, Makati, nandun na sila as a column headers, and yung ABC naman is nandito na sila as the row headers. So that's our example number 2. Our last example, let's say meron na tayong numbers sa report natin, no? So kompleto na yung numbers natin, ang report natin, it's already completed, but our boss asked us to interchange or to move the column headers to become the row headers and vice versa. So same step. We just need to highlight, Control C, then Alt ES, and then to choose transpose, press E and then Enter. So we don't need to type the whole report. We just need to use transpose and our report would be generated for us. So let's have a quick check. So Cebu B, that's 200. We have here 202. So another one, that's C, Makati C, that's 600. We also have 600. One last, Manila A is 100. Manila A is 100. So that's how we can use transpose for us to generate the same report, but instead our boss wanted us to show it in a different way, meaning the column headers wanted us to be in the row headers and vice versa. So thank you for watching and see you next time.